Here we got a Sunbeam 20-3AG. If you can see, make that out somehow. Taken apart. Not all the way apart, but mostly apart. Cleaned. And will be put back together shortly. These here, they have rivets on them, so you can't take these off. You could, but then you have to find screws to put the side panels back on. Pretty unique. Here we go. Coil on this side, and you have down here where it attaches to the middle. This piece over here, down here. And then on the other side there's one up here, and it attaches back up to here. So we got the heat going all the way through there. That's where all the heating elements are. Well, just to show you basically what it looks like, kind of taken apart. Newer models don't have as many parts as the older models, so a lot easier to do. But here are the wires, all 16 wires of them. I cleaned them in ammonia. They're pretty good there. Yeah, that's about it.